Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, the quality is the same, but the quantity is different. So, because the quality is same, so we have got all the propensities as God has, as Krishna has. Krishna has got loving propensities with his pleasure potency, Srimati Radharani. Similarly, because we are part and parcel of Krishna, we have also got this loving propensity. This is Svabhav. But when we come in contact with this material nature, Krishna does not come into the contact of the material nature. Therefore Krishna's name is Achyuta. He never falls down. But we are prone to fall down, to be under the Prakriti Kriyamana. We are now under the influence of Prakriti. Prakriti Kriyamana. Gunai Karmani Sam. As soon as we fall down under the clutches of this Prakriti, material nature, which means Prakriti is composed of three qualities: goodness, passion and ignorance. So we capture one of the qualities. That is the cause, karanam, gunasanga. Gunasanga means associating with different qualities. Gunasanga, asya, jivasya, of the living entity, that is the cause. One can ask that if the living entity is as good as God, why one living entity has become dog and one living entity has become God, demigod, Brahma? The answer is karana. The reason is gunasanga asya jivasya. Gunasanga. Because he is associating with a particular guna. Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. So these things are described very vividly in Upanishad. How gunasanga acts. Just like a fire, there are sparks. Sometimes the sparks fall down from the fire. Now, there are three conditions of the fire spark falling down. If the spark falls down on dry grass, then it can immediately ignite the grass, the dry grass. If the spark falls down on ordinary grass, then it burns for some time, then again it becomes extinguished. But if the spark falls down on the water, immediately extinguished. The fiery quality. So those who are captured by the Satagun, they are intelligent, they have got knowledge, just like Brahma. And those who are captured by the Rajagun, they are busy in material activities. And those who have captured Tamagun, they are lazy and sleepy. These are the symptoms. Tamagun means they are very lazy and sleepy. Rajagun means very active, but active like monkey. Just like monkey is very active, but they are all dangerous. As soon as the monkey will never see inactive. Wherever it will sit down, it will bend. Gut. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,